We're at Couples Swept Away. Hey, listen, every time we turn on the camera, the sun goes away. It's been great weather, but we do get some afternoon rain last couple days. So don't hold that against you, but we're here at a beachfront veranda suite at Couples Swept Away on the famous 7 Mile Beach in Negril, Jamaica. Let's check it out. Very nice room. In fact, we love this room. Okay, it's got what you need. And this is elegant, barefoot elegance, okay?
As Lee likes to say.
The owner, yes. So what I mean barefoot elegance is it doesn't have a 4-poster bed. It's got a nice TV. It's not a massive TV. There's no free porn that I know about. There's no, so, you know, some other places have that stuff.
What I do like is the desk over here. I like that you have the mini bar right here. Open that up.
And they stock your liquor after you arrive. That's why you don't see any bottles. You put that in your preference sheet. We take care of that for you, okay?
Yeah, you'll have your bottles shortly after you arrive.
I did have a really good mojito or two. So they're really good. Make sure you get the right bartender. There's a lady, Jillian. Okay, so a little drawer here. Coffee, ice, and all that stuff. These are the bottles. Water, they don't waste the plastic bottles. So you get the water. There's a water filling station in most buildings, okay? It's not a big deal. It sounds different, but they're conserving all the plastic. TV, this room has TV. Some categories do not have TVs. Here's your K-Cup coffee system, but you know what, they have a really nice continental breakfast.
Room service.
Order that, the room service. They only offer breakfast, continental breakfast. This is not 24-hour room service. They offer a continental, fill it out, do it. The coffee came great, pastries were great. It was really nice.
Yeah, it was good.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mansion in the bathroom, and then last storage. I mean, you can see the storage before you go in there.
Yeah, there's tons of storage.
Safe, all the stuff you expect in a resort. Robes, slippers. You got a request.
Yeah, you got a full-size ironing board. You got your umbrella, your safe, the iron. What's up top there? It's really high. Just more space to
for your
put
suitcase.
Things. Yeah. Got the alarm clock with the charging for your phone.
Go ahead, show the bathroom, and then we'll get to the big reason why we're in the room. We'll show you.
The bathroom's really nice. It's all tile. You have this really comfortable place to sit and shave your legs or whatever for the ladies. You have the rainfall shower head. That's plenty of hooks. I like this mirror setup. I like to see, like you can see the back of your head right here. It's always good. Got the makeup mirror. It's lighted. Plenty of towels.
Okay, the big thing about this beachfront veranda is this. Because everybody wants to see the beach, and not many resorts offer.
And this is not just the beach. This is Negril 7 Mile Beach.
Now, this little swell or whatever they like to call it just is running through. But there's still people that were in the water. It's a large veranda, little seat, little rocking chair.
At this view.
You're on the beach. There's only one way of even having a chance of having this room, because a lot of rooms have, some rooms have obstructed views here with the palm trees. The only way you even have a chance at this room is by booking with KVS Travel. Okay? If you book with me and Amanda, we will request, there's a couple rooms that we have written down, the room numbers, that we request for views. Okay?
Just imagine this with the sun shining. I mean, it's amazing as it is, but with the sun, it's absolutely spectacular.
So subscribe to our YouTube channel, KVS Travel. If you're a first-time subscriber, you get a little something off depending on what you book, how many days, and all that, what room category. Wi-Fi is included, it's all inclusive. Scuba diving, all you scuba divers. Listen, I just got my advanced diving, advanced open water, deep water, and all that, whatever the certificate was. I did that this week. It was fun. Their scuba diving team is A++. That's my favorite part about this property.
And we also have a lot of other little hidden gems that we can share with you.
Right. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sean and Amanda. Our website, we have one, kvstravel.com. Don't be thinking you go in there and book. We want everybody to call. I talk to you. I don't email quotes. I don't do any of that. I talk to you. I get your budget. I get what you're looking for. Please, if you're not going to book with us, don't waste our time, because we want, the whole idea is that you're booking with us. Our prices are as good, if not better. We're a couple specialists, so whatever they're offering, we at least get that deal.
And we treat everyone like family.
Yeah, so you'll be, like, what you won't get with them is you get a personal touch. You get my cell phone, you can text me, we'll give you all the details, even tell you how to arrive here, all kinds of different things that we know. 610-334-1917. Sean and Amanda from KBS Travel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Call us when you're ready for your next vacation. We do Caribbean, we do Hawaii, we do cruises, we do Disney and Universal. We do Europe as well, especially cruises, but we do like Italy and Europe and England, different stuff like that. We don't do Asia, we don't do Africa. We specialize a little bit. Our main thing is Caribbean, Hawaii, and cruises. That's the main things, okay? Thank you. And with that,